Okay folks, welcome back to Phatkat Collections. Got another awesome Duxot for you guys today, and this is another Accelero Mecha Quartz chronograph. Check this out. So this is done with their gemstone bezel. They make a few Acceleros that are not as flashy. If this is not your thing, you can get the standard bezel version. I think I've reviewed a few of these like in a rose tone, but this is one of their newest model releases. And so this, I absolutely love these. Like every time Duxot comes out with a watch with any kind of crystals on it, I'm always like, get it over to me. They do have this particular watch has, looks like 10 different, 6, 7, 8 different color variations. It's an awesome piece. If you are a guy who likes kind of the flashy stuff, this is a great watch. And so one thing I mentioned many times in videos, you can find iced out watches on different websites, right? They're all over the place. But a lot of times it's hard to find a watch that gives you the iced look, but still gives you the quality, right? I think you guys have seen my Bulova Octava review. Like that watch, like right now, I got it for like $280. Like right now, it's like $500, and that's got genuine Swarovski crystals and black stones, which I absolutely love. But you know, it was pretty expensive. Whereas Duxot gives you, I think, a lot more bang for your buck. Like I think this is a better quality watch than that Bulova. I feel like it just feels more solid. You're getting sort of like a Daytona style build, right? But you're getting a very unique bezel, and the face on this, I love what they did with the complications for the chronograph are like kind of a champagne gold, and then they did this brown mother of pearl with the yellow gold polished links down the center of the watch, gold accents as far as the function pusher and crown. The bezel's got gold on it. It's a really nice two-tone watch, and of course then you have this really cool, I'd say they're almost like a citrine colored stones. Just like, and I kind of paired this up today with one of my Jewelry Television, JTV, sterling silver, gold plated citrine sort of cocktail ring. I think they complement themselves really well. It matches very nice. And I always like to kind of, I shouldn't say always, but I like to a lot of times if I'm going out and I'm wearing a specific piece, kind of match it up with kind of a matching ring. This is a very cool watch. Now, if you haven't checked out the other videos I've done on this particular model in different colors, I have this in a Pepsi format. I have it in the Seahawks version, the green and blue. I have it in a black and clear stone, and I think this is the only other version. Then I have a couple other models in like the rainbow. This one is available in several different color variations. Right now, this is available. So at the time of this video, I'll put the link in the description. If you want to pick this up, do so while you can. A lot of the colors are sold out. This is only $180 right now. So you get it in the Seahawks, the blue and green, which is a very unique color. I gotta say, I haven't seen any other watch company do a combination blue and green. This one here is called the pearl brown. You can get it in the pearl black, which is rainbowed, kind of, you know, goes from orange to yellow to green to blue, kind of, you know, in the different color shades. They have it in the other version I will review, they call it pearl white, but it is a Pepsi blue and red. This one I wasn't able to get my hands on. It's arguably, I think, my favorite one, the pearl red. It's got like a red mother of pearl face. It's got black and these like fire orange stones. Very cool. That one is still available, surprisingly. Then, of course, we have it in the black and green. We have a pearl blue, which is like a nice, like light baby blue and blue. The pearl silver, which is black and silver, which I've reviewed. If you haven't checked that out, check that out. Actually, no, this one, I'm sorry, this one's actually all black stones. No, that's the one I got. Black with a few clear stones, mainly a black bezel. The Sunray gold, yellow gold with a rainbow bezel. And then the pearl rose has a rose tone finish with a rainbow bezel. Very cool watch. Mecha quartz movement, basically what that means is you have a combination hybrid movement, which has a quartz time telling capability with mechanical parts for the chronograph. Chronograph is nothing more than a stopwatch. So remember, pressing the upper function pusher starts the main second hand ticking. You're clocking time at that point. Press it again to pause. Second function pusher will reset it. But your main second hand, where you're just telling regular time, is right at the 6 o'clock position. Don't have your main second hand moving because you'll burn through your battery. So just keep that in mind. Brush finishing down the sides of the bracelet. Mirror polishing, yellow gold down the center. polishing around the case. You have a lot of polishing and brush finishes. It's a very flashy watch. Looks great on the wrist like they all do. A little more of the specifications here, and then we'll show you what it looks like on the wrist. 40mm case size, 12mm in case thickness, 48mm lug to lug. The dial color is a nice brown mother of pearl. We do have a sapphire crystal, screw down crown, screw down function pushers, 20mm bracelet, 10 ATMs of water resistance. So you're getting, again, when you're looking at watches, the main thing about a watch to determine quality is what is it made out of. This is 316 stainless steel. That's most of the watch. We have a good quality Mecha Quartz movement. I think this is a Seiko branded movement, or maybe TMI. It's I believe, but if you need to know and you're not going to make a purchase till you know, reach out to me. I'll find out specifically what movement. But anything under the Dartmouth brand, Duxot, Nubeo, Spinnaker, Aviate, they're using a lot of those well-respected movements like Miyota's, the NH series. So this is probably a Seiko version. So it's, again, you're getting a great movement. You're getting the reliability of quartz, the accuracy of quartz. You're getting stainless steel. You have a nice milled clasp on these watches. A lot of times in that price range, just have a stamped clasp, and there's nothing wrong with that. But this is just a little bit more of a finished look. We have a dual push button deploying clasp, 3 levels of micro adjustment, safety latch, non-screws, but we have a friction pins for the links. Is pretty standard. Screw on case back. Great looking piece, great price. The nice thing about it is that, there's a lot of watches that look like this out there. Pagani Design, Invicta, tons of them, right? So why would you buy this one? Because I haven't seen anybody doing anything with the stones like this. And I think it's just a very flashy, very unique piece, and I absolutely love that Duxot is one of those few companies that is doing stuff like this. And they sell out, and obviously people like them, I wish they did something all encrusted, something even flashier, but, maybe someday they will. Maybe they'll watch one of my videos and say, oh yeah, let's go ahead and do something like that. A watch that comes to mind is like the Jet Setter by JBW. Invicta did have a all encrusted red ruby looking stone watch, and I've never seen it. It's on their site, but it says sold out. I've never seen it released. So I hope that maybe Duxot does something a little more in red. They don't do any of their watches with the rubies, and I think it'd be really nice to see. They do a lot of the multicolor stuff like this, but I'd like to see them maybe on another release, maybe do something a little more like one color, and I think that's pretty unique as well. Do a full, I guess black bezel's been done, but do a full baby blue. Full red, of course. Do some red accents. There's definitely a market for this, and I've said many times in my videos, if you want watches with the ice look, you sometimes have to go with something that's kind of low quality to get that, or you have to spend, hundreds of thousands of dollars to get a watch that's going to give you authentic stones and really give you the quality build. And Invicta is one of those companies that does give you real diamonds on a nice build quality, but Invicta doesn't do a lot with multicolor stones. And I love that Duxot is kind of filling this market with great quality watches, great build quality, spec monster watches, affordable prices with this look. So check out the links in the description. If I can help you in any way, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Oh, before I forget, let me just give you a couple more close-ups here. I know somebody will come back and be like, you didn't even show the watch. What's funny is for you people who do actually say oh, you talk too much. We see you and not the watch. You barely show it. Those are the same people where I'm like, yep, here's the other video with the close-up. And it's funny that the close-up version of these videos always gets less views than the one with me in it. So go figure. You can't please everybody. Just remember, these videos are free. Just say thank you.